Welcome to Ngakme Kids. Let's help children learn vocabulary through fun, colorful, and exciting images. Join us as we explore the world of words together.
Sweeping the floor. Sweeping the floor. Sweeping the floor. Mopping the floor. Mopping the floor. Mopping the floor. Folding clothes. Folding clothes. Folding clothes. Hanging clothes. Hanging clothes. Hanging clothes. Washing clothes. Washing clothes. Washing clothes. Ironing clothes. Ironing clothes. Ironing clothes. Washing dishes. Washing dishes. Washing dishes. Wiping the table. Wiping the table. Wiping the table. Clearing the dining table. Clearing the dining table. Clearing the dining table.
Taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. Cleaning windows. Cleaning windows. Cleaning windows. Organizing toys. Organizing toys. Organizing toys. Watering plants. Watering plants. Watering plants. Vacuuming. 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 Organizing shoes. Organizing shoes. Organizing shoes. Tidying up the bedroom. Tidying up the bedroom. Tidying up the bedroom. Organizing books. Organizing books. Organizing books. Polishing shoes. Polishing shoes. Polishing shoes. Dusting the cabinet. Dusting the cabinet. Dusting the cabinet. Washing the car. Washing the car. Washing the car. Gardening. Washing the car. Washing the car. Picking up fallen leaves. Picking up fallen leaves. Picking up fallen leaves. Cleaning the mirror. Cleaning the mirror. Cleaning the mirror. Washing hands. Washing hands. Washing hands. Tidying up the living room. Tidying up the living room. Tidying up the living room. Folding blankets. Folding blankets. Folding blankets. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. Setting the dining table. Setting the dining table. Setting the dining table. Organizing the wardrobe. Organizing the wardrobe. Organizing the wardrobe. Washing vegetables. Washing vegetables. Washing vegetables. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ngok Make Kids for fun learning every day. See you in the next video.